Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to use the equalizer on your JBL Live Beam 3. So the first way is through our JBL headphones application. Open this application, here you can see your main menu, go to the audio section. Here is your equalizer. Press on it and press this switch to enable it. When it will flash with orange color, it means it's enabled. So here we can see a different presets, for example, studio, bass, club, extreme bass, vocal, jazz. Bass boost enhances low frequencies, which is great for heavy music lovers or for some trap music lovers. Vocal boost amplifies vocals. It's perfect for podcasts and audio boost. And for example, jazz or club, it has a treble boost in it, which improves high frequencies, which is ideal for classical and instrumental music. Also, you can create your own preset, so simply in the equalizer, find this button with the plus in it, click on it, and here you have your equalizer. So simply adjust the sliders to modify the frequencies. For example, let's add a buzz boost somewhere around 125 kilohertz. Let's lower down our mids somewhere around 2000 kilohertz, and let's make a bright highs. So click here somewhere around 8000 and edit it for a few decibels. You can also give it a name. So here with the my EQ section, click here, and now you can rename it. Let's name it EQ3. Press here. Now to save the changes, simply press save. If you do want to delete your EQ, simply press on it, press on this trash can button, press remove. Now your equalizer is removed. To update it, press this one, and now you're in your customizing menu. The second way to do this is through your headphones case. So first of all, unlock your case. Swipe through application until you find your equalizer. Enable it, and here you have some presets. Just click left and right. So for example, extreme bass, studio, club, and also your custom preset will appear as well when you let it on your phone. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.